Hello friends, welcome to our channel TechMart. So friends, hope you are safe and healthy. So friends, today class would be dedicated to eSQL code, particularly when we are trying to change a date format. So in this video, I will take some sample dates and change them to a particular format that is required output format. So friends, it's a very simple. So here I'm taking two sample dates and trying to change it to the output date format which is required. So right now the dates that we'll be working on are these two dates. So you can see here that 31/3/03 2020 and 12:05 p.m. So 31 is the day and 3003 is the month and 2020 is the year, and this is the 12. So hours, 05 is the minutes, and PM whether it's AM or PM. So this is a sample one date format, and second format is 13, which is the day, and /06 which is the month, and 20 which is the year, and 09 is the hours, 25 is the minute, and 55 is the second. So friends, these are the input date formats that we are trying to convert to required output date format. So let me write here, these are the input. And this is our output. So output which we require, that is the month in words, which is the three letters, like January is the JAN, February is the FEB, March is the MAR. Like this, month will become in the words, and day in month means with zero if single digit. Like if the single digit, like January, February, March, 1 2 3 4 5, these months with the zero, and after 10 1 0 1 1, these are the two digit. So four digit year, after that four digit year, like 2020 I already gave here, but in the second sample date only 20 is there, which is a 2 year month, and after that colon hours, minutes, second. So this output uh, we need. So let us proceed to and convert each input date format in the required output date format. So now let me quickly create an application. Click on file, new, and application. So my application name here is date transformation. Finish. Now let me create message flow. The date transformation. So friends, we are using here MQ input or MQ output node, and for date transformation we will use the compute node. So friends, we are not worrying about what is the transport protocol we are using. We just need to concern about what is the code you need to write in the eSQL. So I'm making the connection, and giving the queue name, which are already available in the queue manager, on top of which the our broker is running, like in and OET. So friends, here we will not give any parsing domain, as just we will see the date output date format. So as we will just hit the sample request message, and we just do the date form transformation in the compute node. So friends, so I'm not going to send any input message consist of these dates. Okay, I'm just trigger this message flow and I will send a sample message. So let me start to write code here. So I'm just copying the message headers, not copying the full message. Declare like input date, you can say here the INDT input date. We are giving it as a character format, and we will copy this our first sample date format. So next we will declare input date format as a character. So friends, you can see here the 31/03/2020. So we can see the date format by using the help contents. So click on help and click on help contents. So till now I didn't install any help contents. So I can let me show you over Google. So you can see here. Let me show you again. So friends, you can see here the date and time parsing format. So in this the 31 is the day. So you can see here day in a month is 131 and day in a month is double DD. So friends, if we use that with the zero, if we will use with the zero day, then we have to use this double DD. But if we are using day without zero, then we have to use this single D. So I'm giving here single D, and for month, so month you can see here numeric month is a 512, 5 to 12, and this with the 5 to 12, and this is the without zero and this is with zero. So we are using month as a 03, so we will use this double caps M, then slash, then year is in the 4 digit, so 2020. So we will see here year. So you can see here with the 4 digit year, so 4Y. So we will write here 4Y, and for 12 hours and minute, 05 minute. So 12 hours, so R you can see here 1 to 12 hours in AM or PM is the H, And for minutes 04 with 0, so double M. And for AM or PM, here is the A, whether it is AM or PM. So we have to write it here as MMA. So now again declare standard date, timestamp, cast. So we are so we are going to cast this first date in input date in the required input date format. So let me write here in date as timestamp format in the in date format. So so friends, in the output date format we have to transform it. So now I'm going to declare the output date format. So out date format character. So our output date format is the, let me show you, output date format month in the words and day in month and 4-digit years, hour, minute and second. So you can check here month in the words. So let me show you month in the words like Jan, Feb. See here a month in the words with JA and FEB. So we have to use here triple M slash then day day in month with the 0 or without 0 we have to use with the 0. So double D and year with the 4 2020. So I already showed you that triple 4Y. So DD slash 4Y then hour, let me show you how. Hour is in AM with the 0. So I already show you our hour in the hours, minute and second. So double H and minute with the 0, double M and seconds with the 0, SS. So our output date format is like this. Declare output date format triple M double D 4Y colon hour, minute and second. So now I am going to cast this standard date format into the output date format. So declare out date character cast standard date as character format, outdate format. So friends, you can see here we did write the SQL code for the date and time transformation. So now let me debug. Now let me deploy this. Now let me debug this. Launch debugger. Adds the breakpoint. So friends, as I told you that I'm not going to send any input message consist of these days. So I'm just trigger this message flow. So I will send the sample message in this. So open file, any sample message you can choose and click on write queue. So you can see here in date format, int date format and standard date. Standard date you can see. Now out date format is month, day and year. Now friends, you can see here March 31 2020 and 12:05 is the time. So friends, as I showed you in the output required output message, that month in the words, three letters, which I showed you that March, MAR, day in month with the 0, and 4-digit year 2020, hours, minutes and second like this with commas. I showed you this. Now we are going to hit this one more sample date formation. Now let me show you this another date information transformation. So for this 13/06/2020, so for 13 like same, just we have to give, instead of hyphen we have to give the slash, and month 06 is the same, and year here it's give 20. So let me show you here only 2 day year. So you can see here 06, so we have to give the double y only. And for hours 09 is here, so 09 for the hours with the 06 like 09, so we have to give the double h, and for minute it will be the same double m, and for second also same double s, but h double m column double s. So here no am no pm is there, so we are not giving here as am or pm. So friends, rest thing will be same, as we need the output date format like if, words month in the words and date in the with the 0. So save it and deploy it again. So now let me uh, hit the message, input message. So friends, you can see here IN date, input date, which is 13/06/20, and our input date format is date, month, year. So friends, you can see here output date is June, JUN, then day, and 2020 is in the years, then 09, 25, and 59. So friend, this is how you work on date transformation. So friends, hope you understand by this date transformation video. So please do leave your valuable comments, and hope you enjoy my this video. So till now you didn't subscribe my channel, our channel. So please subscribe and click on bell icon button to get the notification of new videos. And please leave your valuable comments. And if you have any queries, please leave in the comments. And thank you. Bye. Stay safe and stay healthy.